Create new invoice or sale. In order to create new invoice, you can click on invoice. It will take you to a list of existing invoice. You can always click new, or you can select customer, and then from there you can click new invoice. For now, we just click new. It lands us to the invoice page, create invoice page. Let's select the customer. Once you select the customer, if you have if you have set any kind of alert for that customer, will show up here so you can be notified. Let's dismiss it for now. And you can click here to see all the customer notes. You can leave the notes on invoice, due date, create date if you're creating a invoice on past days, and you can enter a track number if you're shipping the merchandise. You can see customer current balance, how much this customer already owe you. Click on the search and let's sell something. Smartwatch. I'm selling 5 of smartwatch, and I'm selling for $45 each. Just bring it down. Let's sell some serialized item. If you want to sell item which is serialized, you can simply scan the serial number. But if you don't know the serial number, select the item, click the price. Let's say, but since you add, system will say, okay, you have 8 of those in stock, name of the vendor, serial numbers, and you have a cost. So you can select the one you want to sell, or you can search here, or you can just select all of them one shot. Once you hit save, all come down here. Now you see this little clipboard button that helps you apply the same price on all same products. So let's say if I want to sell this for $250, I can type the price on one, I can click that clipboard button and say yes to apply on all of them. Now same kind of product, change the price on all of them. The value of this is the total value. Whenever it's in green means we are in profit, so we are making money. Whenever it turns red, it means that we're selling lower than our cost price. If you click on this $sign button here, it will show you the cost price. So average cost price of this product is $14 versus this cost price of this product is $78. So you want to make sure that you don't sell it for less than what it costs you. You can always change the price, or you can change the cost price on here, or you can change the selling price. If you want to return any serialized item, click return serialized item and enter the serialized number, and it will return it for you. If you want to return anything other than serialized, simply type the name of the item, quantity, put it -1, and $25. It will put the negative quantity. It will, if this is the item you're tracking it will minus the one quantity from your inventory and keep the balance. If you want to save it, when you're ready to save it, just click on save and your invoice would be saved. There you go. And that's how you create the invoice in Smplsale. Thanks for watching. For more information, please check out our website, smplsale.com. Thanks again.